Hi! In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, select calendar by clicking on it. After that, pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom to create an event. Now select more options and customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, take notes, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also, for example, select location, tapping done, setting up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, and some other things. But when you're ready, remember to choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it though by tapping on it and clicking on this square icon over here. Now make your changes. And remember to choose save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event though, you have to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete and confirm your choice over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!